In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on voice control on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So now at the top left corner of my screen you can see that microphone icon. That means that voice control feature is now turned on, and let me show you how you can easily turn on voice control on your device. So first of all, head over to settings, then scroll down and find accessibility. On the accessibility, tap at voice control, and that's where you should first off enable voice control feature by hitting at that switcher, and after that you will be able to customize it. You can select language, just tap at language, and then you will be able to select any language from that list. Also, you can customize commands. You can tap right here, and then you can get into any category and then tap at any command and then enable or disable it and do another settings for each particular command. Also, there are some other options here which you can also set up and turn on or off, and basically that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.